Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to join a Facebook group so you can connect with people who share your interests. Let's get started. Find the Facebook app on your phone's home screen or in your app list. Tap on it to open Facebook. At the top of the screen, look for the magnifying glass icon. It is the search icon. Tap on it and type the name of the group you want to join. To narrow your search, tap on Groups at the top of the screen. Scroll through the list to find the group you want to join. Tap on the Join button next to the group name. Some groups require approval from an admin. If the admin approves, you'll be a group member. And that's it. You're in the group and can now see posts, comment, and share content. If you have questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.